So hello friends, this is my first video. Hope you all like it. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today we are going to make 3D cuboid using the boxboard. The materials required for making the 3D cuboid are a cutter, a pencil, a scale and a marker. So I have already marked my measurements, but in order to show you in board, I will show you how I make those. First of all, what you have to do is to take the measurements. Watch it carefully of how I am taking the measurements. As you can see, the height of each box starting from this side is 2.5 inches and the length of the cuboid is 5 inches. Marking my cuboid, now I'm making the flaps. It's of your own choice of measurement. You can take any measurement for your flaps, but not that too small, otherwise the box will not be stable. Watch it carefully because the measurements is the most essential part of making the 3D boards. If you want, take the measurements in the right place, then it will be very difficult to make it fine enough. As you can see how I made it. Now, using the cutter, I am cutting the If you want to give some recommendations, you can comment in the below box. As you know, this is my first video, so I don't know much about how to make it clear or how I know that you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, cutting these flaps like that so they can be easier to give you okay. In the next video, I will show you how to fold it. Not in the next video, but in the next part which I will make. Okay, remember the edges should be very sharp so the box will be easily stabilized. Okay. It depends on you how you cut. Because you can cut start from any side, as you can see how this look like. Now using the back blade of the cutter, this side of the cutter, not this side, because it will cut. That doesn't matter if your flaps are unequal from one side or equal, because the flap will be hidden when you will fold it. But the thing matters is your. Okay, now folding it like that. First fold the flaps, and by using the end of the this is my DIY project, because I have used my box board taken from my old school junkyard. So make sure to use the old stuff and make it look like the new one. So this is how it looks like. Now I won't stick that as just because okay, if you want to cut this flap you can cut, but this will help in building up the good of So guys, I have attached all the slides, and as you can see, the perfection lies where the measurement is good. The edges should be perfectly stabilized, and four sides, when you look closer, you will see the four sides equal. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a cube using the box board, and after that I will show you how to make a pyramid using box board, and the next video will show how to make a perfect cylinder. Until then, thank you for watching my video. I hope you all like it. Subscribe to my channel.